Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by halting any processes that write coin balances, then take a complete snapshot of the DB and file system so you have a rollback point. Once done, you record the exact negative coins CPM values and list affected accounts to scope the fix. Make sure to collect logs for the last 24 to 72 hours and any transaction traces. This helps identify timing and root cause. Do not proceed without a verified backup and a clear error window. You now run a dry run reconciliation script that compares account ledgers to transaction history, which reveals duplicate reversals or missed credits causing negative CPMs. Then, apply corrective SQL updates or ledger commands in small transactional batches so you can roll back on error. Once those rectifications are staged, execute a deterministic recomputation of CPM and coin totals to propagate corrected values. This prevents rounding drift. Make sure to log every change and pause between batches to monitor system health. You finish by running automated validation tests, plus manual spot checks on affected accounts to ensure CPMs are positive and transactions reconcile. Once confident, re-enable services gradually, canaries first, while watching error rates and coin metrics in real time. If any anomalies return, stop immediately and either restore the snapshot you made or run a forced reconciliation routine that reapplies deterministic fixes atomically. Troubleshooting tip: if negatives persist, isolate one account and replay its full transaction history to reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.